Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Hello everyone, this is Akash Mitra. I am a student of Narayana School, West Bengal. I am in the dreamlike city of Singapore, and in this edition of Terra Talk, I am going to talk about our group experience in Singapore as students.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Moving forward to the show, I would like to call our guests who will answer a few questions regarding their personal experience in the Singapore. I would like to call our first guest, Himagnu Bhattacharya, to speak about his science-related experience in Singapore.
Hello everyone, I'm Himagnu speaking. Firstly, I never expected this Singapore tour to be this amazing. I especially liked the aviation part where we tried the simulator, and it was definitely an amazing experience.
Thank you, Himagnu, for sharing your experience of this Singapore tour. I would like to call our second guest, Anushri Ghosh, to speak about her river cruise experience in Singapore.
Hey Akash and hi everyone listening here. I am Anushri. I would like to share my experience in the river cruise. The city river blend, watching Singapore's skyline light up while gliding past the Merlion, Clark Quay and the historic Boat Quay. The night lights reflecting on the water made it pure magic.
What a wonderful experience, Anusri. I would like to call our next guest, Pallavi Bhaumik, to speak about her Garden by the Bay experience in Singapore.
Thank you, Akash. My name is Pallavi Bhaumik, and my experience in the Gardens by the Bay was wonderful. The show we watched in there was called A Wonderful Night of Musical Theatre, which is one of my favorite things in life. Over there, we saw a lot of smart trees, which were lighting up with beautiful designs there.
I would like to call our next guest, Sanvi Singh, to speak about her experience in Sentosa in Singapore.
Hello Akash, and about my experience in Sentosa Island. Sentosa was amazing. The moment that you reach the island, it feels like you're in a resort world. I tried the cable car and the view of water and the skyline was amazing, and personally I loved it. It was gorgeous, and we also went to the beach over there, and it was honestly super clean than the other beaches that I've been to.
Thank you, Sanvi, for sharing your experience. I would like to call our next guest, Vaishnavi Pandey, to speak about her Universal Studios experience in Singapore.
Hello everybody. Hello Akash. My name is Vaishnavi Pandey. So I'd like to share about my experience to the Universal Studios. My experience was like stepping into a world where movies come alive. The moment I entered, the atmosphere changed completely. The music, the architecture, the characters roaming around made me feel like I had walked into a real life film set. We explored different zones, ranged from fun and silly and so many more exciting compared to the last ones. My favorite one was the roller coaster one. So it was a place where excitement never stopped, and the whole day felt like a celebration of imagination and adventure.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. I would like to ask you some questions. What the best thing you liked in this trip?
Honestly, the best part for me was the cyclonic roller coaster.
Thank you. I would like to call our next guest, Mayuk Manjunatha, to speak about his night safari experience in Singapore.
Hello Akash, this is Mayuk here. Hello everybody, I hope everybody is doing okay right now. I honestly loved the night safari. And there are a few reasons why I loved it more than the others. Because as a kid, I loved animals and I used to collect figures, toys and visited zoos as much as I could do. But I could not get the freedom and that relationship with those animals behind those cages. I could not get that. But today, when I went to the night safari, I could genuinely feel that. When we were going through those vast jungles in that darkness, I could genuinely see those real animals in their actual habitats. Nothing could be more better than this experience, and then the show before which educates and shows us so many important factors about animals.
Thank you for this fantastic answer. With this, we come to the end of the show of the Terra Talk of the organization. Signing off, Akash Mitra.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.